So this lovely client here, you've had a little bit of a trauma on this toenail. So to just recap, this toenail went black, right?
Yes, okay.
And
Black, yeah.
it came off. When did it come off exactly?
Well, more than 2 weeks ago.
More than 2 weeks ago. Okay, fantastic. So as you can see, we have a nice kind of nail that's still kind of remaining, trying to grow up at the bottom over here, which is good. You can see the lines. This indicates exactly where the original toenail used to sit. Now you're getting a lot of callus forming on these ridges and all across the nail bed here, so it's quite tough, which can make it difficult for the new nail to come over and out. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be clearing this area out to help the growth of the new nail come through. Okay?
Okay.
There you go. So I'll be using a series of different techniques to remove that. They're all relatively comfortable. If at any point it isn't, you just let me know and I can change that for you.
Sure.
Okay?
Thank you.
No worries. Started with the antibacterial, so slightly cold. How's that feeling? Is that okay?
Yes, okay. Yeah.
Perfect. And why did your toenail go black in the first place? What happened?
One time I was playing football with my friends and I'm left-footed basically, but I used my right foot. And yeah,
Right.
I think I kicked the ball wrongly and yeah.
Oof. You poor thing. What position do you play?
I play like left wing.
Left wing.
Mm.
Any good?
Oh yeah, I mean I used to play I used to play in a club in my country.
No way.
Yeah. It's called the Army Club.
The Army Club. You're gonna
Just
give
the
them a
name.
little shout out.
Yeah, that was ages ago.
And where's your home country?
Syria.
Syria.
Yeah.
That's amazing. There you go. And how long ago is it since you've played with them?
Oh gosh. That was in about 2000.
2000?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're looking
Played
around.
for a couple of years.
Definitely.
And then I came here. And then,
So how do you find the football culture in the UK compared to Syria?
it is different.
Do they take it more seriously back home?
Different. No, here of course there's big investment in the clubs and everything.
Yep.
It's different, yes. But yeah, here is of course better stadiums, more capacity, things like this.
This is
Stronger
true.
teams, I would say.
How's that feeling? Is that okay?
Yeah, it's fine. It's not painful.
Fantastic. So who do you support?
I like Liverpool actually.
Do you? I have a lot of people who'd be very happy to hear that.
Who will become my friend.
So I have two friends who are really, really big Liverpool fans. And then the rest are all Manchester United fans. So out of principle, I'm not allowed to pick one.
So sometimes better not to.
No, I just sit there and go, okay, whoever wins, wins.
Oh, let's support the winner. Easier.
Right? That's what I said. But they said, no, you have to pick a side. So I am not picking any sides. I am a Swiss flag here.
Sometimes it's easier.
I know, but here Liverpool's been doing really good.
Oh yeah, oh, they're very good.
Have you ever gone to see a match live?
No, not here, not in this country. No, I didn't. No time. Always busy.
Always busy. Oh, bless. There we go. How's that feeling? That's still okay?
Yeah, it's fine now.
Good. It's all coming away nicely.
Amazing, thank you.
Pleasure. So how's lockdown been for you?
Probably I'm gonna be working.
You're going to be working?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So your place is still open, which is good, right?
No, the place will be closed, but we're still operating like virtual sale and
Oh, okay.
online, over the phone, dispatching, things like this. So, yeah, it should be fine.
Well, that's good in a
Consider
way.
myself lucky.
Absolutely.
What about you?
So we're actually very lucky that we're going to be able to continue to work through the second lockdown because it's a medical treatment. I think unfortunately some places are going to have to close in the nearby area, but still very, very fortunate.
Yeah.
Which is nice because otherwise people's treatment plans get disrupted.
I know.
And
the first lockdown.
that was something
Yeah,
else.
it
First
was,
lockdown.
Yeah, it was so tough. I couldn't get the dentist appointment even.
I know. I was closed for 3-4 months. Couldn't work. And it's not, my job is not like something you can just sit and work from home.
Yeah, of course,
Yeah. I need to be in my office. I need my chair. I need my equipment.
Of course.
It helps if I have feet. Just the small bits.
Yes. Luckily this time, it's not long one as well, like 4 weeks.
Do you think it's going to be 4 weeks? Or do you think they're going to extend it?
I have no idea, but it should be. I don't think they're gonna extend it.
I mean, I don't think the economy can sustain it, considering Christmas coming.
4 weeks should be enough.
Yeah. I just feel sorry for the people that are struggling right now, the families, the kids,
I know, it's a difficult time for everyone, to be honest with you.
I hope we get to some form of normality soon, whatever normal means nowadays,
Exactly.
There we go. Has your line of work been very busy, even despite all these sort of economic changes?
It is on and off, but yes, we are considered to be busy, and even now, when people hear about the lockdown, we get even more busier.
Yeah. This is true. And what about kids?
People they panic.
Of course, you've seen the shelves.
Yeah.
They're empty.
I know, but I'm not going to do that again. Like first time everyone panicked, long queue to buy things. We bought so many things and we still have a lot of cans.
Oh, you saw so many.
So I'm not going to the shop to buy any more things.
No, I think
it should be fine.
it should be fine as long as people just buy responsibly.
Yes, exactly.
That's the best way to do it. There's no need to bulk buy. It's 4 weeks.
Exactly.
It's okay. How's that feeling? That's still okay there?
Yeah, it's fine.
Good.
Nothing.
There we go. And the kids still at school?
Yeah, luckily they're not closing the school. So
How are they keeping the kids safe? What are they doing?
no, I mean they divide them into group
Uh-huh.
and they go by group. Every class they gather outside in one line and then they go inside and there's 5 minute slot between every class.
Ah. I was wondering what was going on there, how they managed to, because with the little kids it's so much harder,
And I think for their break time they don't have the break time together like before. So every class they have their break time separately.
Right. So they're just surrounded by the same people each time.
Exactly.
Okay.
It makes sense. Huh?
Yeah, it makes sense. I was just wondering
So
how.
they don't mix them together,
No, it's good because I was thinking it's very hard to explain to a child why you can't play with a certain friend,
Yeah.
But if it's just limited people, then they know who's there all the time that they can play with.
Exactly.
There we go. Can't imagine being a teenager in this new
Yeah,
world.
You have to stay at home.
I know, it's so strange because when I think about my teens, we were out and about and doing stuff and bowling or cinema or seeing friends, or going to each other's houses, parks,
In the first lockdown, it was very difficult to entertain them.
Yeah.
It was really long and okay, we do all sort of things that we can have fun with, and then my kid, he missed the school actually. He wanted to go back to school. He was so happy to go back to school.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's so nice. And then some kids are like, why do we have to go back?
Oh yeah, sure. No. Luckily, he was so busy.
You got a good one.
Yeah. Luckily. Yeah.
How is that feeling? Still okay?
Yeah. Perfect.
So just so everyone knows, there is no anesthetic being used for this procedure, because what we're doing is removing dead skin in the region and getting rid of everything that's blocking what we call the sulci, so the nail can grow through nice and happy and healthy. So it would be pain-free, essentially. We're not trying to take out any of the healthy nail that's trying to grow over. We are simply cleaning the passage. That sounds weird, doesn't it?
To let the nail grow normal.
Yeah. So I predict you probably need another one of these. Not yet, but give it another month or so. Because then as the nail is starting to grow over, you're going to have another build-up of where it was trying to push through. And then once that happens, we clear it again to help the nail just kind of finally make its final way up, you know?
Slowly, slowly.
Slowly, slowly. It's all about training. There we go. Perfect. And what are you doing after this? Are you headed?
Probably
Back
gonna go
home?
back home, and it depends what time we're gonna finish, and then go home, and after that maybe stay there like for 1 hour, 2 hours, and then go get the kids from school.
Oh, bless you.
It's my turn today.
All food prepared? Ready?
Everything's ready, yes.
Oh, check you out. You are so good.
I woke up 4 o'clock a.m., so plenty of time to do things.
4 o'clock in the morning. My goodness. What happened?
Yes, my daughter, she woke up and she doesn't want to go back to sleep. So,
Oh no. Did she have a nightmare?
No, sometimes she just like wake up and she wants to play. She's like 3 years old though.
Oh.
Yeah, so yeah, we spent a lovely morning together.
This is the quality time you won't forget.
Exactly.
I have to say, you sound awfully chipper for a 4 o'clock wake up. I'm very impressed.
Yeah, but you have to. You have no options when you have kids, you know.
That is wonderful.
You can't leave her alone.
No. I think you get Dad of the Year.
Yeah.
That's really nice.
Thank you.
It's honestly, it's so nice to see when parents are just, you know, so positive and all for their kids. It's
I know,
just,
of course, yes.
it's just so nice to see.
Kids are beautiful.
I know. Fortunately, I don't have any of my own, but maybe in the future.
One day you will.
One day. I know a lot of my friends are saying that. They'd rather get a dog, and I'm like, hey. I was like, why not get one of each? There we go. But it's true, like pets become like babies, right?
Some people, I think, I mean, we don't have pets because my
Uh-huh.
wife, she's allergic to cats and dogs. But
Oh, no.
yeah, some people they like to have dogs, for example, mostly, or cats,
Yeah.
and they treat them like their own kids. Huh?
It's true.
Yeah.
It's true. So I'm trying to convince my my partner that we should get a dog, but he's allergic. So I was like, maybe I could like help heighten your immunity to them. He's gonna kill me for telling everyone. Sorry. Maybe this will help win my case towards getting a dog. Come on, everyone, help me. There we go. Right, good. So your nail is still fully attached to the base there, which is great. We've cleared this passage. Bear with me. This might just feel slightly uncomfortable, but I just need to be able to see if it's willing to come through. Well done. Perfect. So that was actually really good. Now the softer sort of whiter bits that you see there, it's gonna start pushing over and out from there. Okay. Now if I push there, how does that feel? Do you feel a bit more soft, comfortable? You don't feel anything whatsoever, right?
No, okay.
Good. That's what I'm looking for. So we're not going to aggravate it any further. I'm going to be putting an oil into the nail on the side of the skin. And what this oil is just like a protected skin and nail oil, okay? So it helps the vitality, and it also helps the growth of the nail, and it also has an antifungal aspect to it too. So it's all in one. And it's so important if you ever lose a nail to train the nail properly as it grows out, because sometimes if you don't, it can cause disruptions on the nail bed, and then the way that the nail grows over afterwards, it can be not the way that you remembered your nail to be, so to speak. Some people are very lucky, after it falls off, then it comes back just the same and no problem. And others, there can be a variety of different things that can happen.
I must say, I lost this nail a few times before.
Right, so there we go. You're one of the luckier ones for sure. So you can see that's how it looks now.
You. Shiny and nice.
Good. Perfect. So we'll monitor this again in a month's time and see how you're getting on. Okay? Thank you so much.
You're welcome.